Frustrated with indicators that give unreliable signals? In today's video, we'll introduce you to an exceptionally reliable and free indicator that offers clarity in your trades. The Zero Lag MA Trend Levels. This indicator excels at identifying trends and providing accurate buy and sell signals. While we'll demonstrate its use for scalping gold, 15-minute time frame, this strategy works equally well for other assets like Forex, crypto, stocks, and more. Adding the Trend Alert Indicator. Open the Indicator Search tab and type Trend Alert. Select the indicator by its creator. Adjust its settings. In the Input tab, set the Res MT option to 1 hour. Go to the Style tab and change the indicator type to Line. Customize its color and line thickness to your liking. Click OK to save the changes. The Trend Alert Indicator helps identify trends. Green signals an uptrend. Red signals a downtrend. Gray indicates no dominant trend. Avoid trading in this scenario. Adding the Zero Lag MA Trend Levels Indicator. Go back to the Indicator Search tab and type Zero Lag MA Trend Levels. Select the indicator created by Chart Prime. Modify its settings. In the Input tab, set the length to 20. Click OK to save the changes. This indicator not only filters trends, but also acts as an entry trigger. It automatically highlights key levels in the market. Green key level area indicates potential buy opportunities. Blue key level area indicates potential sell opportunities. When the Zero Lag MAs cross, they generate these key levels, making it easier to identify trade setups. How to place trades. Buy entry. Look for a green key level area highlighted by the Zero Lag MA indicator. Wait for the price to retest the key level and then reject it. A green triangle will appear, signaling a buy opportunity. Confirm the signal with the Trend Alert Indicator. It must show a bullish trend. Green. Ensure the breakout candlestick is bullish. Place a buy order after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. Set it at the most recent low. Sell entry. Look for a blue key level area highlighted by the Zero Lag MA indicator. Wait for the price to retest the key level and then reject it. A blue triangle will appear, signaling a sell opportunity. Confirm the signal with the Trend Alert Indicator. It must show a bearish trend. Red. Ensure the breakout candlestick is bearish. Place a sell order after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. Set it at the most recent high. Take profit. Use a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more actionable trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.